One purchase, lifetime access, all current and future Lumion content.
Introducing the Lumion 3D Model Pack, a complete collection designed to bring your visualizations to life. Over 180 ready-to-use 3D objects, plus 30 fully arranged sets, organized into 13 categories, giving you a great object library. Our models are crafted from real-life objects, created with stunning exact details. Each object is carefully modeled with clean, precise geometry and perfectly unwrapped UVs, ensuring flawless textures, smooth performance, and a truly professional look in every scene. All models have high-quality PBR materials. Models are available both as single objects and in group sets. Every object is fully customizable. You can move, scale, replace, or change the material of each one. This pack comes with a useful catalog. Every object is rendered inside Lumion. Use sets to quickly furnish spaces or mix single objects for unique designs, turning empty areas into detailed scenes. Order now on easyviz3d.com.